In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your game requires a system restart to play in Valorant. Now obviously, you should first try and restart your PC as it says, but if that still doesn't fix the issue, what you can try is find your Valorant, right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility, and activate both of these. Try and see if it works. If it doesn't, what you can try is go to Task Manager in here, find Details, sort by the name, then click somewhere and choose R. Close down every write client you have, press V, close down Vanguard, and then try and open and see if that works. Now if that also doesn't work, what you should try and do is come in here, Apps and Features, find Vanguard and uninstall Vanguard, then simply restart your PC and open up Valorant. It's gonna say you have a new update and there will be the Vanguard that is gonna install again. Now if none of these work, what you can try is simply come in and reinstall Valorant. Uninstall it and download it again, and this should hopefully fix your issue. Those are some ways that you can hopefully fix it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.